with the stop loss below this yellow line and profit nearly equal to 1.5 or $2 as per your liking. Hey everyone, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, we'll take a look at one of the top DEXs on basechain. It has recently pumped, and you can see from the two big green candles, this is showing sign of acceleration. So in this video, we have to take a look at Aerodrome Finance. It is one of the top DEXs on basechain, and of course the first one, and is actually giving value to the whole chain. With a TVL of $4.4 billion, base is growing, but if you go down here, you will see Aerodrome standing at the third spot as one of the leading dApps on basechain. So in this video, we'll take a look at Aerodrome price action, the AERO token, and we'll see how far this token can go, and as a trader, which price point you should enter. As an investors, should you hold it for long term, and if you hold it for long term, how much money you can make with that. So we need to study it. So with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about AERO token. Now again, before I begin, always look at bigger picture. Now here's the bigger picture. The Aerodrome has $577 million TVL, which is actually brilliant for this particular DEX. Now, if you look at here, the TVL already hit all-time high of $1.1 billion on December 2024, but then declined. And with the price of $1, this token has a TVL of 583, around $577 million, which means there is a chance or a big room for this token to grow in the next few months. Now look at some numbers here, which is its total supply, 1.7 billion token, and market cap is $908 million. A good room for it to grow. That confirmed the token can easily surpass $2 to $3 in the next few months if everything goes well. Now take a look at the charts and see where we are at and where we are heading. So if you look at the charts here, look at the monthly, and you will see it has made pumps almost two times, this time and this two times, then hit the peak at $2.3 and then dumped. Now it's again trying to hit $2 and more before dumping again. So this is good room for it to grow, but we will know more about it once we look at the weekly chart, which is a holy grail for trading cryptos. So you can see here it hit two peaks, which is right over here. You can see one, and then you can see two. So two peaks means it hit the double top here, and because of that it dumped. Now it hit the bottom at around 40 cents. Then now what is happening is trying to gain back the peak, which means it started to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher high. That is a default momentum for this token to happen. But I would like to alert you right over here. When a trend is in the downtrend, especially in the weekly, and it tries to go back up in this position, it is not always that it is going to hit the peak, which means it is not always that it will hit $2 before crashing down. Now for that, I will explain it by drawing something called as phase line. The phase line is a good indicator for you to be alert before it crashes again. So this phase line here indicates although the token is pumping, which means it is making higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Now there is a chance that this token can also break this phase line and crash back down. This is a critical spot, and when that happens, you will see the token going back to 50 cents. That is very much possible, so you should keep that in mind before buying it for a long term. So I'm not trying to demotivate you. If you're bullish, that is good. It can still make higher lows and make you good money, but be alert once it's back to the phase line, which is this yellow line right over here. There are chances if it breaks it, it is going down. So be very alert for trading this token, especially watch the video chart and see for any downtrend. If you observe it, make sure to book profit as soon as possible, because that's a red alert for this token. This token looks bullish, and of course it can go bullish more for the coming week, but once it starts to retrace back making the higher lows, that is when you should be alert, and that is when you should take into the consideration the phase line, and once it breaks, of course, take out the profit. That is the part many traders miss and make loss despite being profitable for a very long time. So you should take that into consideration. The token overall is good, the fundamentals are good, the technicals are good, but again, be alert once you invest in this token, because Short term, it will be profitable. Long term, it may not hit directly $2 to $3. It will retrace back, go back to the value which is 60 cents and then pull back again. So again, this is your holy grail. The weekly chart is your holy grail. If you can download it, screenshot this particular image from my video, and of course draw the lines on your own trading chart and then see for yourself if this is happening. Be alert and plan your trades accordingly. Or the best part I can suggest, if you want to go long on this, wait for it to come back to this value which is your yellow line, and then plan a risk reward ratio in place with the stop loss below this yellow line and profit nearly equal to 1.5 or $2 as per your liking. So that's the thing you can do. With that, I complete my video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do watch the video shared on screen, and if you like my analysis, please do remember to subscribe. Let's meet tomorrow in the new video with the new content and the new trading chart. Thank you.